Hello, my acolyte. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cassie Culinary here with some cucumber chicken salad and cucumber salad. These are the ingredients. I have carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, red onions, eggs, chicken breast, green marinade, mayonnaise, honey, salt, apple cider vinegar. Have a half seasoning cube and 2 habanero peppers. Let's get started by steaming our chicken breast. I add in my green marinade, then some salt to taste. After I add a little bit of water to cook for about 10 minutes. Let's cook our egg now for about 7 minutes. This should be ready. Let's prep our vegetable. This is how I prefer more. You can decide to use the skin. After I cut it into round shape, we'll be making 2 types of salad today: cucumber chicken salad and cucumber salad. So the first slice that you saw is for the cucumber salad. The second one is going to be used for the cucumber chicken salad. So I divide it into 2, then I take out the seeds. After I cut it into small pieces, just like how I am doing it. Great. So our cucumber is ready now. Let's prep our bread, onions. I cut it into round shapes. Then after I separate it with my fingers. Next is to cut our carrots. I divide it into 2 and cut it into small shapes. As we all know, vegetable is very healthy for the body, so sometimes we have to forgo all the carbs and eat greens. Let's prep our tomatoes now, and with these tomatoes I take out the seeds and the water from it, because you do not want your salad to be full of seeds and water. After I grate my habanero pepper for the cucumber chicken salad, because of the chicken I want it a little bit spicy. Our vegetables are all set now, and now my chicken breast is also ready, so I cut it into small pieces and get it ready. So that's it. I'm setting it aside. You can decide to use any normal chicken any protein that you want anyway. So let's get our salad ready now. The round one goes into a bowl, a different bowl. The other one too goes into a different bowl. After the rest of the vegetable is added to each bowl. Our vegetable has been washed with vinegar and salt, so this is very nutritious for the body. So my chicken breast goes into the other one. Then this is apple cider vinegar, just 2 small tablespoons. Then I add in my habanero pepper to the chicken cucumber chicken salad. Then my mayonnaise also goes into the other one. This is my honey. Honey goes into both bowls. Then I give it a quick stir. I stir it and to make sure that every part of the vegetable is seasoned or spicing. Our egg is ready. I poured it into cold water and added some salt to it so that the salt will infuse into the eggs. I didn't add my eggs from the beginning because I didn't want it to break apart or tear apart. So this is this is what I'm doing now. I add it to it and give it a quick stir. You don't need to stir it very well, else you are going to break it apart or tear it apart. You can eat this as breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime. This is very healthy for the body. The first one is the cucumber salad and the other one is the cucumber chicken salad. Wow, this is so beautiful. It looks so beautiful and it tastes so delicious. It tastes very nice. Look at me there eating my okay, my acolyte. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you are inspired by this video to try this recipe at home with your family. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share my video. Till we meet again, remember to eat right because your health matters. Kasi Culinary, beyond the boundaries of taste. Bye.